of the many times the times table.
Rockwell to tell the spell all of the old fables.
Cause I've been dropping the new science, and I've been kicking the new knowledge.
And I'm see to a degree that you can't get in college.
Now the dregs
Of the earth
and the eggs that I eat, I got
pegs through my
head,
and one through my
feet. Shade, stadium, the radium,
E and D square.
kicked out of the palladium. Shall think that I care? It's the sound of science. The sound of science. Science. Robot-dope. The newest in new.
Right up to your face and dish you.
Waxing and milking all of your squares. Time and money for girls covered with honey. Till I aspire to be as cunning. Feeling a rock and a roll, a B-size D-cup. Order the quarter deluxe. Why don't you wait? Come on, mine is kind of blowing like an oil projector. Had to get up to get the Jimmy protector. Went to surf and work and exploding. She woke up in the morning and her face was coated. Funny, stunning, the man on the mind.
Do what you like. That's right, my name's Yao. Constantly on, the fountain youth, not Robotron. Peace is the word I've heard before, so move up on the dance floor. I'm gonna die one day, cause I'm going and going and going this way.
Not like a roach or a pizza dough.
I'm going out first class and going out coach.
Rock my Adidas, never rock Fila.
I do not sniff the coke, I only smoke the Sensi Mila.
Well, oh, if I know, I will go. What I live on right. And that's strictly wrong, I got science for any occasion.
Postulating theories, formulating equations.
Well, cheat twisted, it's no blizzard. Eat a chicken gizzard with a girl named Lizzie.
Dropping science like Galileo dropped the orange.